Yeah, it's just not doing it for me anymore. Like, do you live here? Oh my gosh, I'm about to trip. However, what's the word I'm looking for? And watch me work. Hey babes, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, so we have been shopping a lot. And while I love shopping, I'll probably never stop. It's time to take a little break and do something with that inventory, shall we? So I just thought today we relax. I have on my sweats. This whole set, by the way, if anybody cares, is from J Lux label. The jacket, the bralette, the pants, amazing, stunning. Not sponsored by any means, but I really love the quality of their clothes and they're not super crazy expensive either. So yeah. So my entryway needs some TLC. Last year I did a video kind of making it presentable and I was looking at it the other day. Hated it. Yeah, it's just not doing it for me anymore. It's become more of like a mail station because when I come in and I have packages, I literally just shove them under the console table and they go there until I touch them. So it's not aesthetically pleasing. It's very cold actually, if I'm being honest. Initially, I wanted that area to be very minimal. I didn't want a lot going on because the space isn't big to begin with. I want it to be functional but still tasteful. But I feel like in order to achieve a truly tastefully designed minimal space, you need some dope architecture and lighting, or honestly it just looks like you ain't got no furniture.
It appeared to be Neverland.
It appeared to be Neverland. Nothing was there. Neverland.
You don't have to.
Like, do you live here? So if I had some arches, maybe a vaulted ceiling, a window to let in some lighting, or even like an amazing paint shade, it would be different. I can't do anything about the structure of the space, okay? And I could paint, but no. As easy as minimal sounds, I really feel like you have to be intentional and strategic with your design pieces that you put in there in order to make it work. Like I said, the area is very cold and one would think just do a rug, but I can't.
Oh, why the hell not?
The door literally sweeps the floor when you open and close it. So there's no room for a rug. However, I was doing some research, aka surfing Pinterest, and I found some ideas that I think would work. I came across these spaces that use tablecloths on top of the furniture and I love it. I think it looks very classic, kind of French, Parisian type vibes, and I'm here for it. So we're gonna try that on my console table, which is only glass and metal. Very basic, straight lines, clean, simple. Now as far as the decor in the space, I want it to be minimal adjacent, if that makes sense. I want it to feel collected and tasteful and well thought of, but still effortless. And I must say, I have been digging Clement's design. Their spaces are amazing to me. They're not all tone on tone, everything has a match. They do a lot with books that are different colors and I love that. So we're gonna, what's the word I'm looking for? We're gonna channel some of that energy. And I think I want to do some wall art. There isn't a ton of wall space because I already have mirrors in there, which I plan on keeping. But I want there to be something interesting to look at every point that you're looking at the space. So let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so we are here in my kitchen where I usually do my wall art. Excuse the mess behind me, I didn't even feel like being bothered. So I wanted to start with my wall art because we're gonna need that to dry while we work on the rest of the space. I am using these frames that I already had. I took the glass out because I didn't want it to feel like a picture frame. I wanted it to feel like wall art that was framed, that doesn't have glass. That makes sense. So yeah, it already came with like this styrofoam piece back here, which we're gonna paint as the background, and we're going green. I know this is very weird. I usually save like cardboard pieces and styrofoam, stuff that comes in packages, to use on wall art in the future. So I feel like I want to use some of this. One, because the texture is already there. Stay woke. So like with styrofoam, it already comes with like a scaly type texture, so I don't have to work hard to get texture. And I'm just gonna paint these and stick them on the background of this frame, like the mat. And I'm also going to be reusing one of these. So last time these were, ooh, I have an all white. This is risky. I'll just be careful because I'm kind of in a rush. But these color samples that I got from Sherwin, well, I didn't get them from Sherwin-Williams. I got them from Lowe's. Yeah, they did a collaboration with them. So it's either going to be hunting boots or thorny bush. Let's see which one I can get open. Okay, so we're gonna go with hunting boots because that's one I got open first. Slide that on over there and watch me work.
Head over heels in love, right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love, everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. So you from the jump, I don't wanna choose you. Got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer.
This is my lovely entryway. This is what I look at every day when I leave and when I come in. Clearly it's an eyesore. I have packages, extra decor that I didn't have any storage for, that I just kind of stick down here. So that's clearly why I want to change this. The area isn't, I feel like it's coming up, I'm trying to get a good angle. It's coming up really tight on camera. It's not that tight in person. So I definitely want to, hello. Just speaking into the microphone so you guys can hear me better. I definitely want to keep the mirrors though. I feel like they make the space bigger and brighter, which the lighting sucks. There's no windows. There is no natural light whatsoever unless you open the door. So I'm working with a lot of obstacles. Okay, I just kind of put this up here to check out the color. I don't hate, okay, focus. I don't hate the idea. I don't think it looks bad at all. I actually quite like it, but I feel like the color is kind of washed out because the walls are a similar shade. And that's not the worst thing in the world. It's still minimal, but I think I want to try something else. I do have an extra brown mocha tablecloth. So wait 1 second.
Wait right here. I'll be right back. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Way better, way better. I didn't put it on all the way because clearly it has to be, I'm not going to steam it, I'm going to iron it the old-fashioned way. The other one wasn't bad. It just didn't give that warmth and richness. Oh my gosh, I'm about to trip. That richness and boldness that I wanted. I think this is gonna look amazing once we finish decorating. So I'm gonna go iron this and I will be right back. It's a little bit better. It'll do. Okay, so like I said, the lighting over here isn't amazing, so I'm gonna use this lamp down here. Okay, so you guys have seen this lamp before. I shared it in a home goods haul. Love the black marble. I think it looks stunning up against the brown, and I already plugged it up. Oops, you guys can see it gives off a little soft glow. And I'm gonna grab some other stuff so we can finish putting this together. Okay, so I got some stuff down here. I knew I wanted to do books, but I specifically got this console table because it was narrow and I didn't want to keep the door from opening all the way. So we can't use normal size books. Good thing I'm a hoarder and I have some mini ones here, and I have some little pieces down here too. Just like some marble, some stuff from Target, Etsy. I think that candle holder right there is from CB2. I also brought this little tea light candle in here because I didn't want something that was too big. I did want a candle in here to add a little bit of warmth, a little bit of a glow, and still some smell good. So yeah, let's just kind of play around and see what we come up with.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to pay my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away.
Okay, that doesn't look horrible. I do kind of feel like the veining of the ring. So I feel like the veining of the green marble and the veining of the black marble are kind of competing. So let's see what this pyramid looks like. Do they like that better? I think I like that better. They're not competing with each other. So yeah, let's keep that. Okay, in the middle, I kind of want to play with some height on the shelf. Not the shelf, on the console table. So let me see. I think that's too big. Let's try something else. Okay, I don't hate that, but I must be honest, it's kind of giving water fountain. Y'all know the piece I'm talking about. I'll try to put a picture up on the side. That's what it's giving, so I don't want to do that right there. I do have an idea though. So this is from CB2 or Crate and Barrel. I got it on sale a while ago. It's a candle holder, but I was thinking I kind of want some nature going on over here. And I have been obsessed with like spherical planters with trees and everything, and clearly I don't have the space. So I'm gonna see if I have like a floral stem where I can put a little piece of the flower in there. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. These are literally pieces that I took off some flower stems I already had, and I got like a little piece of moss that I'm gonna stick down in the candle holder so it looks like a little plant. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Okay, wow. That was an amazing idea. Love that. Okay, so this spot over here, all the way to the right, I don't want to leave neglected. So I think I'm gonna go with, this Viola Calcutta marble base that I got on Etsy. Just add just a little bit, but not too much. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Something's off. That's centered. Let's move this over this way some. Okay, and then I think we'll just add this tea light. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let me back you guys up. Okay, wow, that looks so good to me. Oh my gosh, it's not too much, but it's like just enough. And I went with like groups of 3. Well, yeah, this is like a group right here with the lamp. Group 2, group 3, which we all know is foolproof with design. This little tea light candle, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, let's put up the wall art and then we'll do final looks.
Look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling bee. With 20 to stand on the couch. Went out of town, fuckers be feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing balloons, see the flex. Like Mooney, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boo. They gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? How can I lose if I'm already chose?
Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. This was so much fun. I'm much happier with how the space looks now. It's still functional, but it still feels warm and inviting, which is key to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.